Hi everyone, welcome back to DevOps Bunker. In this video, we are going to learn about Jenkins plugins, like what are Jenkins plugins and why we need them, and also demo on how to install the plugins and how to install them if you are behind the corporate network, like a firewall or proxy, and how to update the proxy also. So let's start. Jenkins plugins are like add-ons or extensions that enhance Jenkins core capabilities. Think of Jenkins itself like a smartphone. It comes with the basic functions, calling, texting, clock. But to do more, we have to install some additional applications where we can work with them. Like, seeing the YouTube videos, or if you want to edit any video, then you have to install separate application, right? In the same way, we have to install plugins for Jenkins to integrate with the multiple applications. So yeah, as I said, this will help us to integrate with the other applications like Azure, GitHub, Docker. So let's start the demo. So this is Jenkins dashboard, and we have to go to the settings. Here there will be plugins option. Click on plugins option. Here you can see multiple options here like updates, available plugins, installed plugins, and also advanced settings. Here are the this one is installed plugins. That means that these plugins are already installed. Okay. So if you want to update any installed plugin, then you have to go to the updates. Then if you select the plugin, and then you can install that latest version from here. And this one available plugins is something we want to install. If that plugin is not installed already, but if you want to install it, then you have to come here and install it. So I'm going to install few plugins from here. Let's see. I'm selecting Python here. So because I want to write some Python code, then in that case, Python will be useful. It will give Python console to run the Python code. Select this one, and also you can install multiple plugins at a time also. So I'm selecting Docker, which is needed. So let's install. I'm showing only few of them because this is just demo purpose only. But if you want to install any other plugins, then directly you can come here and install whatever you want. You just need to search if that is available, then you can install it. Install. So some of these things are pending. So let's open another tab. But if you are behind the proxy or firewall, then it is very impossible to download these plugins because in order to download these plugins, you need internet connection to connect to the Jenkins update center where Jenkins plugins are there. So in that case, then you have to configure the proxy as well. So this is where we can update the proxy. Okay, if you click on this one, configure system page, then you'll be redirected to here. So here you have to search with the proxy. So here are the proxy details where you can enter them. Okay, so server is host name and port is you can. This is I'm just showing it as an example, but you need to gather the right details from your company. Okay, host name is the server name like IP address or host name, and username is something, in order to connect to this proxy, you need to enter the username and password as well. You can set some domains here. You can exclude these domains from the proxy. It will not go through proxy. And also you can validate the URL. Where you can check like Google www.google.com, something like that, whether you are able to connect or not. Validate proxy. So right now there is no proxy details, right? I have entered wrong proxy, that's why I'm not able to connect. But if you enter valid proxy details, then you will be able to see success message here. So this is how you have to update the proxy. So let's go to other page where we downloaded other plugins. So you see all these are success now. When you are actually configuring the jobs, then you can configure this, Docker or Python, whatever plugins you downloaded, you can configure them. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.